So children, you are going to learn about large numbers in this class. Already in class 3, you might have learned about 4-digit number. What is a 4-digit number? Yes, a number that has 4 places and 4 digits are called 4-digit numbers. You might have learned how to read a 4-digit number, to compare them, and to write the expanded form of a 4-digit number. So, the next thing you are going to learn is about 5-digit numbers. Children, numbers are fascinating. It is never ending, and so enjoy what you are learning.
Children, we already know that the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the largest 4-digit number is 9999. So let us see what are 5-digit numbers and how we get a 5-digit number. When we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number 9999, we get the smallest 5-digit number 10,000. 5-digit numbers are placed in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s column. Now let us see how these numbers are placed. 5-digit numbers are placed in 2 periods, 1 spirit and 1000 spirit. The 1 spirit has 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. The thousands place has 2 periods, thousands and 10,000. These 2 periods are separated by a comma. When we write the number in the standard form, the number 10,000 is written in the standard form as 1, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. And the number name is 10,000. Now let us look at some 5-digit numbers. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000 and 90,000. This is how the 5-digit numbers are placed in the 10,000s column, thousands column, hundreds column, tens column and ones column. Now let me teach you how to read a 5-digit number using the place value chart. Let us read the number. Now let us read the given number. There are 3 steps in reading a number. In step 1, let us see how many thousands are there. Yes, there are 51 thousands. In the next step, let us see how many hundreds are there. Yes, there are 4 hundreds. And in the third step, let us read the digits in tens and ones placed together. And of course, it is 29. Now, the number name is read as 51,429. I hope you understand it. Now let us consider another number. Here the number name is 38,081 because the number in the hundreds place is 0.